Ghislaine Maxwell's sex trafficking trial is headed into its final stretch. Her defense team resting its case after a rocky start Friday and with no testimony from Maxwell. She told the judge, "Your Honor, the government has not proved its case beyond a reasonable doubt, and so there's no reason for me to testify." Maxwell's lawyers planned to call a trio of women Friday, but said they were running into problems, including one witness who they say ignored a subpoena. Maxwell's attorney, Laura Menninger, pleaded for more time, saying, "Our client's life is on the line." The judge refused to delay the trial.
When it's time to call your witness and they're not in the courtroom or available, the judge is very likely to say, well, that time has now passed.
Maxwell is accused of helping Jeffrey Epstein recruit, groom, and abuse underage girls. She has pleaded not guilty to the 6 charges against her. Her lawyers argue that she was targeted by prosecutors because they could no longer bring Epstein to justice. He was found dead in a Manhattan prison 2 years ago while awaiting his own trial for sex trafficking.
Look for the defense in closing to point to an empty chair where Jeffrey Epstein should be sitting, and look for them to say that they, the government, are trying to blame Maxwell for Jeffrey Epstein's sins.
On Friday, Epstein's ex-girlfriend took the witness stand. Eva Dubin said they started dating in 1983 but remained friends after splitting in the early 90s. After she married and had kids, she said Epstein was fond of her children, who called him Uncle F. When asked about observing any inappropriate contact between Epstein and underage girls, Dubin replied, "I did not." After nearly 2 weeks of testimony, Maxwell's fate could rest with a jury in a matter of days.
And Maxwell's trial wrapped up much sooner than expected. It was scheduled to last up to 6 weeks. If Maxwell is convicted of all her charges, she could face up to 70 years in prison. So a lot to watch next week, guys.
Indeed, there is. Kathy Park, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.